Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making a resin coaster and we're going to be doing the worm technique. These are the products I'm going to be using: my TotalBoat Tabletop Epoxy, these new alcohol inks from Dryer Days Art Studio in gold, vivid pink, and Prussian blue. I'm also going to be using Blanco alcohol ink by Pinata, Surf's Up White by Island Micas and More, and this Periwinkle Glow mica powder. It's kind of like an iridescent color shifting blue. I'll link all these materials down below in the description box, and I'm also going to be using this holographic gold glitter from Dryer Days Art Studio. It's one of my favorites, and I have a coupon code to Dryer Days Art Studio as well. She just released these alcohol inks and they work really awesome. So here's my mold. I just went in. I'm filling the mold about halfway full with just clear resin. Like I said, I'm using the TotalBoat Tabletop Epoxy. I mixed up my resin off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link my Milky Way coaster tutorial down below in the description box. Be sure to go check that out because it's full of great information, tips, and tricks. Here I'm just going in with a silicone tool and getting the bubbles off of the rim. Bubbles really like to cling to the rim of your coasters, so you can go in with a little silicone tool, just grab the bubble, kind of push it towards the center of your mold, and then go in with your heat gun on low and pop the bubbles. So we're going to go in with our inks now. This is my favorite part. You want to make sure you shake up the gold and the Blanco, and I'm just going in with the Prussian blue and the vivid pink, adding 1 drop. Sometimes 2 drops will come out, and that's fine. And then I'm going to go in with the Blanco on top of those colors. The Blanco really helps give you the Petri dish effect, so you definitely want to get that if you're trying to get the Petri dish results. And I'm just doing 2 layers of the alcohol inks. So I'm doing color, Blanco, color, and then Blanco, and that's it. But I definitely just love watching the inks move around in the resin. It's just so mesmerizing. It's like a little lava lamp. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the gold from Dryer Days Art Studio, and you want to shake that up really good. So this is my periwinkle glow. I'm going in and just doing some worm designs, kind of like a swirly pattern, nothing technical, just giving it a nice amount of the periwinkle glow. And I added a pea-size amount into 2 ounces of resin for the periwinkle glow and 4 drops of the Island Micas and More Surf's Up White in the white, and that's what I'm adding here now. Same thing, just going in and doing some worm kind of swirl designs. And here I decided to go in and just do some blobs of the periwinkle glow, and that gave me some really cool effects too. And that was it. I just covered them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and now we're going to go in with our glitter backing layer. I'm just adding a drop of the gold alcohol ink and this holographic gold glitter from Dryer Days Art Studio. I have about 1.5 ounces of resin here, and we're just going to go in and fill up the mold the rest of the way. And you can see on the right here, I was working on another Petri dish. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that one. That one turned out really pretty as well. I'm going to be uploading that video within the next few days. I'm going to hit this with my heat gun on low to pop bubbles, and that's it. I'm going to cover it up, let it dry for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to demold it. Here we are 24 hours later. I just love the holographic gold glitter from Dryer Days Art Studio. Here's how it turned out. I got some really awesome effects from adding the periwinkle glow mica powder and the Surf's Up White. That's the worm kind of patterns that you're seeing. That is from the pigments that I added, and I just love the side view of this one. You can see the different layers. These are so fun. They have so many cool details when you check it out up close. I hope you guys give this a try. It's a really easy, fun project, and they always turn out different but still really pretty. And these blobs are from when I dropped that periwinkle glow down. I don't think I'll do that next time because I'm not a fan of the blobs, but I just wanted to try it out and see what would happen. So I put it in the video and in this piece so you guys could see what would happen if I added some big dollops of the pigment. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave me a like. Hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I'll leave a few of my favorites right here. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.